Start.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Prinita from grade 10. So now I am here to speak about green day. So from the ancient times, leafy greens are being an important thing in our healthy diet chart. So by being packed of vitamins and minerals, it is mandatory to add these healthy things in our daily life. So these greeny leaves will improve our immune system to fight against the diseases which comes into our body, and it will prevent our body from infections and many other diseases. So please add this greeny leaves like spinach, broccoli, cabbage, etc. To maintain our immune system and to improve our vitamins and mineral content in our body. Thank you.
Good afternoon, my name is Saunasthiram, I am from grade 11. Today I am going to give a speech about World Green Day. World Green Day is celebrated to show our love and care for our mother nature. Green denotes fertility, greenery and our mother nature. Nature gives us everything we need. It gives us oxygen to breathe and the food we need and so on. But in return it doesn't ask for anything. So it is our responsibility to keep it healthy always. We should plant trees around us, in our houses, farms and neighborhood. We should keep it healthy always. Taking care of our earth is the responsibility of every person who lives here. Nature is an essential thing in our life. And if we cannot clean it, at least we should try not to pollute it. Nature has significance in our life, so we must take care of it just like we do for our parents.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Tarun from grade 10. Here I am going to talk about Green Day. The Green Day is celebrated in different days in different countries. In America, it is celebrated in 22 September. In Australia, it is celebrated at November 4. In Canada, it is celebrated at June 4. Mainly, it will be celebrated in the month of June and November. The Green Day is an awareness to spread to plant more trees and plants, which the Green Day gives us fresh air, oxygen, foods and etc. Many people were destroying the trees and giving more pollution by vehicles and factories. We should stop the pollutions and many things in our environment and keep our motherland in safe. Thank you.
Good morning, myself Kevita. I am studying at 10th standard. I am going to talk about Green Day. Green represents our environment. Green represents fertility, prosperity, and our beautiful nature. We have to protect nature at all costs. Nature gives us oxygen, food, and a better place to live. We have to protect nature by planting trees and stop global warming. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Jerry. I am from 10th standard. Today I am going to speak about Green Day. Green Day is celebrated to ensure that we to stop the polluting against our nature. Nowadays we are polluting our nature too much through the gases which are produced from vehicles and the waste from factories, and we are dumping our waste on roads, on lands. So we have to stop that to reduce the global warming. And the main motto of this Green Day is to save nature. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Vishal from grade 10. I am going to speak about Green Day. Green Day is celebrated to respect our nature and spread awareness about conserving our nature. Nowadays we are throwing some rubbish things like plastic diapers in lakes and many places and spoiling our nature. So we should conserve our nature and spread awareness among people. So Green Day is celebrated as green represents fertility and our nature. Nature gives us everything that is needed for life, such as oxygen, food and many things, but it does not ask anything in return. So for helping it, we should conserve our nature by doing many things like forming some groups and spreading awareness, cleaning some public lakes and plant many trees. Thank you.
Good morning everyone.
My name is Charit. I am from grade 11. Today I am going to speak about Green Day. Green Day shows the importance of our environment, and green denotes three things: fertility, prosperity, and our beautiful nature. Nature and plants which provides us many things. For example, oxygen and food to eat, and it also helps human to sustain a good life. And on this day, many people will plant trees in large amount, and many big companies, they are also planting many trees to spread awareness. And many campaigns are held across the countries, and every year Green Day is celebrated in different countries to spread awareness. And many organizations have been formed. For example, in Odisha, JFM, which means Joint Forest Management, it is formed in 1988 in Odisha to protect the forest. In this case, many foreign companies came to India to abolish the forest and to create company and gain more profit. To abolish these things, the local rural people, they went against the big companies and they formed an organization. This organization is called Joint Forest Management. And Beach Bachao Andolan, these are also many organizations which have helped to spread awareness, and let it also helped to humans to know the importance of our environment. Thank you.